Hello everybody, welcome to International Medical TV. It is only pregnant test that can help you to know if you are indeed pregnant, but there are some quiet ways that may hint you to know if you are pregnant. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you to know if you are pregnant without doing a test. And I'm going to give you 10 signs and symptoms that may help you to know if you are indeed pregnant. So the signs and symptoms involve how the mother is feeling, and while the rest, it is involved in understanding how the mother is feeling. Please, if this is the first time that you have come to International Medical TV, so please you should help us and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you won't miss our upcoming educative videos. And if you are already subscriber, please don't forget to give a thumbs up like this video. So now let us jump into the video. Number one is missed period. So if you are normally cycling, and if you are in childbearing years, and if you are late in your period 2 to 3 days, so probably madam, you are carrying a baby boy in your womb. So all we have to say is congratulations. Number 2 is spotting. So are you having or you had a light spot in a couple of weeks after your last period? Many women think it is a very light or early period, but this it can be a implantation bleeding. Implantation, it is the process whereby egg fertilizes itself on a wall of the uterus. So this it can be a sign on symptoms of pregnancy, and it can help you to know if you are pregnant without doing a test. The number 3 is fatigue. Fatigue is associated with early pregnancy, and the person may need to take a rest or to do a nap without any apparent reason. This is happening due to the change in the progesterone level, and the fatigue, or I can say excessive weakness, it usually stops in the first trimester. The number 4 is breast changes. These are common in the early pregnancy, and these are happening due to the changes in the hormones, which is eventually prepare the body for the lactation. And the changes include tenderness of the breast, soreness of the breast, and the nipples and the areola are becoming darker and lighter than the usual. The number 5 is nausea and vomiting. Morning sickness or nausea and vomiting associated with the pregnancy may start 2 to 8 weeks after conception. And the nausea doesn't just happen only in the morning, it can happen any time of the day or in the night. The number 6 is mood swing. As your hormones continue to change, you may experience mood swing, and this is normal through a pregnancy. And if you feel anxious or depressed or think to harm yourself, so it is important to reach your health care provider. The number 7 is frequent urination. In some cases, changing hormone can increase your blood flow, so causing a water retention and filling the bladder more frequently than usual. Also, a grown uterus exerts a pressure on bladder, causing a frequent urination. But this sign and symptom it could be more confusing, especially in the cold climate, when the weather increases your urge to pee. The number 8 is food aversion and the craving. Craving of some foods and the aversion to some smell, it could be a sign and symptom of pregnancy. So if you have one of them, especially after your last period, so madam, probably you are pregnant. The number 9 is low libido or low sexual desire. Research has proven that some women observe that their sexual desire is becoming down. This is happening due to the change in progesterone level, and this is happening in the first trimester. But this is progressively decreased as the pregnancy progress, but this evidence is retrospective. The last one is constipation and bloating. Pregnant women might experience a gas, flatulence, bloating, and excessive belching. This is happening due to the rising of the progesterone hormone, which is relaxing the small muscle in digestive tract, affecting the digestive system. In this sign and symptom, for just taking a small amount of meals, it can make you okay, and it is not only a pregnant that is causing a constipation and bloating. Indigestion, hyperacidity, and the DUD2 can cause constipation and bloating. This is the end of this video. Please, if you find this video educative and helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and comment something that will encourage us to make more videos that will help you learn more on this channel. And don't forget to drop your question related to the health matters and medical facts. So we hope you are enjoying our videos as well as our content. So see you later. Have a nice time.